guys, my name is Glu, and today in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to merge images in Photoshop CC and how to remove some features. I'm going to teach you, which is about select, delete, move and stuff. If you're a beginner, do see this. So I have this park image, but this park image looks too much blank. So also I have a dog image. I want this dog to be somewhere in this park. So make sure your dog image is a PNG. If it's not a PNG, you have to select the background and you have to delete it, or you can just select this dog and move it. I'll show you that in a few minutes. First, take this dog. If it's a PNG, you can easily just move this dog and then bring it in this park, and then you will see that this dog is so small because my pixel, this is like a very HD image and this is a low quality image or something like that. So for making the size of this big, you have to first click the select tool and right click on the image, and then you will see there's an option called free transform. You have to click this free transform, and then these 8 squares will come. You have to just drag, as you know, it's very simple. So just drag it. So this is the size of the dog I want. I can put it somewhere here or somewhere. So I'll just click done, and then take the move tool and move this. I want to keep the dog. Let's keep the dog here. Let's keep it here. Okay, now as you can see, now this dog brings something to the picture, because if you just have a blank picture like that, it does not look, the beauty of the image is gone. It does not look realistic. So if you put a dog, a live image inside it, a living creature inside this image, then it looks real, as if you went to the park and you took the photo, but actually you just took it from Google Images. So yeah, that's one thing. Now let's close this and close this. Don't need to save them. Now I will be showing you some other features also, which I also have another two. I have the dog image and another park image. Where is that? Here. Let's open these two. So as you can see, this park looks very beautiful. It's a very nice scenery, but this thing distracts me a lot because there's a nice shade of this color of the trees, and then this thing comes. So I don't want this. I want to remove this. So I'll show you how to do that. Wait, let me first also bring my dog image. This dog image with dog to open. Okay, so this dog is a good HD image. This is a JPEG image, which it's not a PNG. So I'll be showing you how you can select and then bring this thing here. So first, this color, I do not like this change of color. So you can use the select tool, auto select tool, and then select it. Make sure it is fully selected. Wait a second. My select tools PA pixels is too much big, so I'm just reducing it. Now it's good. Now I can just select this. Yup, select it. There we go. Now just click the delete key, and then you will get this fill option. Now in this, you'll get this. You'll get a foreground color, background color which you can just choose, or a pattern. You can just put a pattern, or you can also take a color which you have used in the history. But the one I'm going to use is content aware. I'm not color picker, sorry. Content aware. Yep. Now what this content aware does, it removes and adds something else, which makes it nice. Now let's just see. As you can see, the tree is totally gone, and then this same color is added, which makes it look very nice and kind of realistic. But if you don't feel it, so wait a second, you will see some differences. We do. There we go. You'll see a very minute difference if you just zoom. Just take the zoom and then let's take the zoom, and you can see that there is still. That's because I not select properly. So just fit this screen to the screen, and now I'm gonna select it more nicely, better. So like undo. Yep. So now let me just undo this too. Yep. So now let's select it in a better way, because that was not zoomed and I could not see it properly. Now as this is zoomed, wait a second, let me just reduce the pixels of the select tool thing. Let me just make it half. 14 is fine. I don't know why. So let's do something. Undo. There we go. And then, okay, let me just click the deselect tool, and then we not select this whole part. Yep. Now I'm gonna use the select tool, and then I'll just select this minor part. This is so tough to select. Yep, I think there we go. We're done. Yep. Now click the delete option, and then click content aware as I've showed you earlier. Click OK. Then you will see that it kind of made it very nice. Now let's just deselect this. Now as you can see, there is very minute difference, very minute. Only this big border. If you zoom in the pixel, you can see. That's it. Only that much. But it looks very real when you just zoom out, or when you fit screen. Just zoom a little more. Yep. Now you can see it looks like there was no changes, no Photoshop editing inside this, unless and until you see very clearly. Now I'm gonna put this dog inside this park image somewhere here, because this park image looks blank, as I told you earlier. So I'm gonna use the select tool, increase just the pixel rate a little bit, because, and then I have to select this dog. First his tail, and then his body, and then his one leg. There we go. Now this is selected, and then use the move tool, and now you can just move this image into the park. Since this image is so big, you can just click the select tool again, click a right click, and then you choose the free transform, and then make this image small image, still big. Apply, move this to my high level, and then again click free transform, and then reduce the size. That's fine. Apply transform, and then click the move tool, please. and then click the move tool and then move this dog. Let's keep the dog here. There we go. Now this image also looks very realistic. We did a content over here because we did not like the color. And now let's save this. Yes. I can just save this as a JPEG image and then save it on my desktop. I'll just rename it Photoshop. Low quality, everything. Okay. And then let's just move this down, take this also down. Then you can see this. This is how the image looks like. You can see the previous image. Wait, let me just do one small difference. There we go. You can see this was the previous image, and then this is the recent image. This was the previous, and this is the recent. Previous, and then this is the recent. You can see that this picture looks better with the same color tone and little bit differences. And with this dog there, it means that people can actually go to this place. Okay, so with that being said, always like my videos and share and comment for more for the next video.